Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Just as predicted in yesterday's video, Bitcoin retested the red horizontal level at 104.9 thousand. This level came from using the bar pattern on the last breakout to simulate a potential price rise. Today, I opened a new high-risk long based on a long-wave strategy signal on the 15-minute time frame, entering around 104.6K. I was lucky to catch the move above 104.9K again. I held my position even when the signal flashed an exit at 106.1K. After that, we saw a rejection at the yellow horizontal near 106.5K, then a dip to 105.2K, followed by a sharp bounce up to 107.3K. I aimed to exit and set my take profits at 106.1 thousand and 105.9 thousand. Unfortunately, a scam wick hit 105.9K 2 hours later, stopping me out of the full position, just after we touched 107.3K. Since then, Bitcoin climbed back above the yellow level and is currently hovering near 107,000. I had predicted a potential breakout mid to late this week, but I'm currently out of all trades. I'm watching a bearish divergence on the 1-hour chart, hoping for a retest of 104.9K, but that might just be wishful thinking. On the 3-day liquidation heat map, today's move took out a key short liquidation zone worth $427 million at 106.8 thousand. Above, a large short leverage cluster sits from 107.3K to 110.6K. Breaking 108.8K would mean a new all-time high for Bitcoin. That level was last seen on January 20th, about 4 months ago. To the downside, potential targets include the long liquidation hot pocket between 104,000 to 102.7 thousand, in deeper zones from 102,000 to 100,000. A retest of 104.9K is possible, but breaking 104.3K and 101.5K could trigger a bearish wave, especially with sell in May and go away narratives looming over a low-volume summer. Still, May is up plus 13.17% so far, which is strong. In 2017, summer stayed green. In 2013, though, May, June, and September were all red. Time will tell. Meanwhile, institutions continue buying. On May 19th, ETF inflows hit $667.4 million, led by BlackRock with $305.9 million. Today, we've already seen $41.7 million in inflows. Without BlackRock's numbers even reported yet, the bias remains bullish. I'll be back tomorrow with another update. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if this video gave you value. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.